So in this video we're going to look at small angle approximations for cosine of theta. Now what we're going to do is we're going to find approximations for these 5 different inputs for cosine. So the small angle approximation for cosine of theta is cosine theta is approximately 1 minus theta squared over 2. And that's the formula we use for the small angle formula. Now if we want to use approximations for these 3, what we have to do is input each of these into the theta in our formula there. So first of all, let's look at 2 theta. So cosine theta is approximately 1 minus, now the input is theta, so we want 2 theta squared over 2. Note that this 2 is not included in the squared. So then we've got 1 minus 2 theta squared gives us 4 theta squared over 2. And then simplifying that off, we've got 1 minus 2 theta squared. So that's our answer for that one. Now what about this one? So again, let's input that into here. 1 minus, open a bracket, theta over 2 squared, and then that is divided by 2. So next, let's square out the input for there. So 1 minus, and then we've got theta squared, 2 squared is 4, so 1 minus theta squared over 4, then that is all divided by 2. So now if we simplify that off, we get 1 minus theta squared over 8. So that would complete that one. Okay, what about this one? So again, let's input it into here. 1 minus theta squared squared over 2. So simplify off, theta squared squared is theta to the 4, and that's divided by 2. So that's 1 minus theta to the 4 divided by 2, and that's that one finished straight off. Now what about this one? Again, let's plug it in. 1 minus theta cubed over 4 input squared divided by 2. Okay, so theta cubed, and then square that, we get theta to the power of 6. So 1 minus theta to the power of 6. Then we've got 4 in our denominator squared, so that's over 16. So that's all one input, and then divide that by 2. So then simplify that off, we've got 1 minus theta to the power of 6 divided by 32. And that would complete that one. And then finally this one with square root of theta. So again, input square root of theta into there, 1 minus square root of theta squared over 2. So now this one will simply become square root of theta squared just gives us theta. So then we've got 1 minus theta over 2. And that would complete that one. Okay, so there we go. There's small angle approximations for cosine.